A lot of women get so excited about marriage that they fail to realize that the expectations that are placed on them are completely exhausting. Many women really think that they can handle it all in the relationship, but soon you realize that you got bamboozled.
You got the short end of the stick.
You got the short end of the stick, baby. Okay? This is their expectation. They go to work and provide financially, and you do every freaking thing else. Baby, when I tell you, it's exhausting.
It is. Because your job starts from the morning and does not end until late at night.
Does not end. And then they want to climb on top of it. If you're going to get off of me, I'm finna get some bunk beds. I'm telling you right now.
Do some business. Bunk beds.
I'm finna get some bunk beds up in here.
Back in the 50s, when they sleep separate.
100%. I'm tired. Sidebar. Women, when you're exhausted and you ask your man for help, you do know that he does it wrong on purpose, don't you? Huh? So when you go and look in the cabinet and all them towels balled up, leave them balled up. Yup. You ain't finna get out of there helping me? Nope. You get what I'm saying?
Listen, I get it. I get it. But listen, another thing. People want to be married so bad that they totally overlook the fact that they are probably marrying the wrong person.
Facts.
You didn't realize that he was real bad with money. All you saw was that he drove a nice car.
Uh-huh.
But you didn't know that he was behind 3 months on his payment on the car.
Uh-huh.
You wanted to be married to her so bad because she had a nice body, but you overlooked the fact that she has no idea how to be a mom. But you want to have babies with her.
Huh?
And has no desire to be a mom.
Boy. Y'all better stop out here in these streets. Listen, women, y'all can't want to be wives so bad that you overlook the fact that they are not right for you at all. You will end up forcing what does not fit, and what does not fit will fail, baby.
Every time.
Okay?
Every time.
Why would you want to spend 10, 15, 20 years married and miserable when all you had to do was be patient and wait for the right person?
15 of your good years.
Good years. When all you had to do was be patient. Your man, your woman could have been right around the corner, but you were so impatient that you got married to the wrong person, and you done messed around and had kids, got a house and all that, and spending 10, 15, 20 years miserable.
You want to get on the first thing smoking.
Where they do that at? Not no more. It's about to be 2023. It's a new year, new day, new age, new circumstances, and we ain't doing that no more.
That's right.
Listen, getting married ain't all that. I'm gonna be honest with you. It ain't all that. But getting married to the right person is all that.
Yes.
And some. Okay? So be patient.
Yes.
Just wait. Okay? Everybody around here, you see, oh, these happy coming, these happy because they ain't happy. A lot of them is not happy. I'm telling you that right now. A lot of them perpetrating a fraud. That is. You like that?
I like that.
Perpetrating a fraud. Okay? That means they continuing with the charade.
That's right. And it is a charade.
Yeah.
Yes. It's a charade that's been helped by social media.
Yep.
You can put out there what you want. Make people believe that this is who I am. When in fact, it's not.
Uh-huh. You see what I'm saying? So don't get fooled and tripped up by the nonsense and the bull and the foolery, okay? I'm gonna tell you like it TITs.
Yes.
And that's that.
That's right. And listen, don't fall for it. Don't fall for the nonsense, people. Men and women, don't fall for it, guys. Find the right one.
Oh, yeah.
You know, take time, find the right one.
That's it.
Yeah. But we're gonna leave it right there. If we go on, we're gonna keep rambling. But if there was something you heard, you like, you dislike, whatever it was, drop it in the comments box below. We want to hear from you.
Yes, indeed. And if you could, like, and share.
That's right. And don't forget to hit that notification bell.
And don't forget to dang go subscribe.
That's right.
Until next time.
Peace.